This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अर्थात् कृतवासरः अधिक अश्विन शुद्ध कृष्ण प्रतिपदा दिनांक 2 नहीं प्रतिपदा लगे दिनांक 2 अक्टोबर 2020 सहस्र योगम कंसहरितकी शंखं चक्रं जलपान् दशसमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोधोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीनं प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्य प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत् मुनिसत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। Gulmar Droga Arshas Shwas and Kasa. So Kamsa Haritik is available. So let us try to use it. That will be better. Dashamula Haritaki Lehya. No, that we covered actually. Dashamuladi Lehya. Shukra dosha. Just I was saying that it is useful in Shukra dosha. The Falashruti is quite wide. Shofa, Jwara, Gulma, Meha, Karshya. आमवाता अमल पित्त रक्त पित्त वैवर्ण्य मूत्र अनिल शुक्र दोष श्वास अरुचि प्लीहा गर विषय उदर. So Kamsaharitaki is a better choice to be used even in cancer patients. Shukra dosha hara and gara vishahara as well, and mutra anila dosha. So that will be better. दशमूलादि लेह्य एकैकशो दशफले दशमूल कुंभ पाठाद्वयार्कगुणवल्लभकट्फलाना दग्धे श्रुतेऽम्बुकलशेन जले तु पक्वे पादस्थिते गुरुतुलां फलपञ्चकञ्च दद्यात् प्रत्येकं व्यवशव्याभयानां बन्धैर्मुष्टिद्वौ व्यवक्षारतश्च दर्वीमालिं बन्धन्ति लीढो गुडोऽयं गुल्मप्लीहार्षकुष्ठमेहाग्निसादा. So Dashamula एकैकशः दशफल or something like that. पाठाद्वय अर्जुन अर्क गुणवल्लभ कटफल दग्धे श्रुतेऽम्बु कलशेन जले तु पक्वे. So this is to be burnt again to ash by burning. And then it is to be cooked in water. So this is a kshara kalpana. Padasthite gudatulam palapanchakancha. And when it remains 1/4, then gudatula and palapanchakancha dadyaptekam vyoshacha vyabhayana. व्योषक्षव्य and अभया. वह्नेर्मुष्टि द्वौ क्षारतश्च. So वह्नि मुष्टि and चित्रक मुष्टि and यवक्षार द्वौ मुष्टि दर्वीमालिम्पन् हन्ति. लीढो गुडोऽयं गुल्मप्लीहार्षपुष्टमेहाग्निसादान्. दशमूलकुम्भत्रिवृत्पाठाद्वय अर्क गुणवल्लभ अतिविश पिट्फल. And then take the about eggs in earthenware and make into ash by burning. So this might be Antardhumamashi, not really Kshara. Collect the ash and then add Jala. Prepare Chaturthavashishta Kashaya. Then add Guda. Prepare Leha Paka and then add Prakshepadravya. Vyosichavya, these are the Prakshepadravas. So this is something like Shar or Mashi and Guda Sankalpana together. Vyosichavya Abhaya Vandi Chitraka Yavakshara Charpala. Gulma Pliha Arshaspushta Meha Agnimandya. This should be quite Ushna Tikshna. Chitraka Guda Toyadrone Chitra Mula Tulardham. Sadhyam Yavat Pada Jalastam Athedam. Ashtav Dattva Jirane Gudasya Palani. वाच्यं भूयः सांद्रतया सुसमेतं. त्रिकटुकं विषिपथ्या कुष्ठं मुस्कुष्ठामुस्तावरांग. कृमिरिपु दहनैला चूर्णकीर्णो वलेहः. जयति गुदजकुष्ठप्लीह गुल्मोदराणि. प्रबलयति हुताशं शश्वदभ्यस्य मानः. So basically it's Chitraka Kvatha and then Jirana Guda to be given into that. And when it becomes Sandra, then Trikatuka, Mishi, Patya, Kushta, Musta, Varanga, Krimiripu, that is Vedanta, Dahana, Chitraka, Ela, Churna, Kirna, Avaleha. So these are to be Churna added. Jayati Kutacha, Buddhaja, Kushta, Sarsha, Kushta, Pliha, Udara, and Prabhalayati Hutasha, strengthens Agni, Shashadabhyasya Manaha. So this is to be practiced. Chitrakamula Jala, Dhiruna Guda, prepare Leya, Prakshepadravya, Trikatu Mishi Shatapushpa Pathya, Pushta Musta Varanga, Dalchini, Krimiripu Vidanga, Dahana Chitraka, Elavan Karsha each. Arshas Pushta Pliha Gulma Udara Agnimandya. I don't think this is available in the market. Chitraka Guda. Natishleshmakaro Dhauta Srishtamutra Shakrut Gudaha. Guda is Srishtamutra Shakrut of and Natishleshmakaraha. So for Anulomana, this is a good thing. And Paka, that is the consistency is of Avaleha, and that is a better choice to do. Gudardraka. Ardraka Sarase Tulyam Gulam Dattva Chiroshitam. Vipachamane Sandre tu Trijat Vyosha Varidan. Virakam Chavarancha Dipyakan Tanikanapi. Sambhuyashtavhagen Churne Itpatra Yojet. अवतार्य गुडार्थांशं बुधनापि च योजितम् एतद् गुडार्द्रकं नाम शोभनाशनम् औषधम् अग्निमान्द्या रुचिश्वास कास पीनस शूली नाम गुल्म पीहातिसारेषु संन्यासेषु प्रशस्ति. So Chiroshitam. How long it is to be kept? So Ardraka Rasa and Tulya Guda, it has to be kept for a prolonged period. And when it starts getting Pakva and Sandra, then Trijata Vyosha Varida, Jiraka Varala, Dipyaka, Dhanika, Sambhuyashtama Bhagena, Churnayitva Triyoje. So it's 1/8 of this Churna, Sambhaga Churna, is to be added. Avatarya Gudardhamsham, Vadana Pisha Yojitam. So this is to be Chiroshitam. What does it mean? That is again a question. They are not translated anything for Chiroshita. Vipachamani Sandre. And then it is to be cooked. That is fine. And when it becomes Sandra, then Trijat, etc. to be added. Avatarya Gudardhamsham Madhunati Chayurita. And then half quantity Guda and half quantity of Madhu to be used, to be added. Shofanashanam Aushadham. Agnimandya Ruchishwasa Kasa Pinasa Shulina. Agnimandya Ruchishwasa Kasa Pinasa Shula Gulma Pliha Atisareshu Sannyaseshu Prashasa. So this is even useful in sannyasa. And then Madhu 32 Tola. So Gudardhamsha is not to be added later. That is what that seems fine. Then it should be one word. Gudardhamsha Madhuna Picha Yojitam. So I thought Gudardhamsham Madhuna Picha. Okay, but let us understand it that half the quantity of Guda Madhu to be added. And then Shotha Agnimandya Vrikishvasa Kasa Pinasa Shuddha Gulma Pliha Atisara and Sannyasa. So is this available? Gudardraka, Avleha. Does anybody know? This should also be fine, particularly for kidney failure. Mattala Rasayan, what it is, can't say. Dadima. Dadimasya rasam stanyam. Atarushardhakodhavam. प्रत्येकं फलषट्कं तु युञ्जात् साधुभिषग्वरः सीतागुणं खण्डसिता पृथक् द्वादशकलं द्वादशकं फलं दैहीभूते क्षिपेत् चूर्णं रालादीनां च पाकवित्. So Dadimarasa Stanya Atarusha So Atarush is Vasa and Ardraka. Why Tanyam? So might be difficult. Let us see the translation. राधम शृंगी चतुर्जातं कतकं व्योष रेणुकं कुष्ठं यष्टि लवंगं च नाकुली कृष्णचीरकं जातिकोशफले नागकणा गोपांगना वृषं सैंधवं नागकुसुमग्राही च चन्दनं कस्तूरिरोचना मुक्ता भस्मेन्दु मृगरेतसि प्रवालभस्म चैतेषां प्रत्येकं च सुवर्णकं माक्षिकं प्रक्षिपेत् स्तन्यमानं शीतेव तारिते It's clumsy, not easy to make any sense from this meaning from it. कासं श्वासं क्षयं हिक्कां विदर्धीम् अन्तराश्रिता अग्निमान्द्यं वमिं गुल्मं क्षतारोचकरुद्रुजं लीहरोगं यकृतरोगं रक्तपित्तं स्वरक्षयम् उपद्रवान् ज्वरादींश्च हन्यादेतद्रसायनम्. So दाडिमरस 6 फल, स्तन्य 6 फल, अटरुष रस 6 फल, आर्दक रस 6 फल, सीता and Gud 12 pala each. Khanda Sita, that is also 12 pala. Then add Prakshepa Dravya, Rar Sarjarasa, Shrungi, Chaturjataka, Kataka, Renuka, Kushtha, Yashti, Lavanga, Nakuli, Krishna Jiraka, Jati, Jayapatri, Koshaphala, Jatifala, Nagakara, Gashapi, Gopangana Sariva, Vrusha Vasa Saindhava, Nagakusuma, अग्रग्राही आकार करप चंदन कस्तुरी रोचन मुक्ता इंदु कर्पूर मृगरेतसी मृग मार्जल वीर्य प्रवाल भस्म स्वर्णमाक्षिक भस्म वन कर्ष each. So part is quite big. Allowed to be cool. And then add madhu 6 fala. Kasa, shwasa, kshaya, hikka, antravruddhi. So अग्निमांद्य वमी गुल्म शत अरोचक रुद्रजात लिहा यकृतरोग रक्तपित्त स्वरभंग complications of jwara and other diseases. I don't think this is available in the market, so अटरुषक अर्द्रकोद्भवम स्तन्यम यांचा स्वरस. That also I thought, but Stanya is first and then Atarushaka and Ardraka. If it would have been in the end, then we might have taken like this. It seems that Stanya, Dadima, Stanya, Atarushaka and Ardraka Swaras. It's a strange combination. Falashruti is quite wide. And Sita, Khanda Sita and Guda all are added. That is yet another important aspect. And there are so many Prakshepa Dravyas and such. So very difficult to understand or explain. Anyway, this may not be available. गंडीर रसायन समूल पुष्प शाखस्य तुलां गंडीर शाखिनः तुलार्धं दशमूलस्य त्रिफलाया पृथक् पृथक् अर्धप्रस्थं तु गोस्तन्या तथा च कुटज त्वचः विडंगारुष्करा बोध कलिंगान कुडवांशकान् पाठादन्ति षठीरास्ताम् ऊर्वा वह्निञ्च पालिकान् सलीले षोडश गुणे पक्वा तं पादशेषितं सितोपलया द्वितुलया that should be fine आयस भस्मना कणार्ध प्रस्थ चूर्णेन ग्रंथिकाम्रेण योजितं पिष्टैस्तीक्ष्ण विडंगैला वालुकैस्तु पलार्धकैः प्रलिप्ते स्थापे स्निग्धभाजने मासमात्रकम् कामला पाण्डुरुद्रोग वातासृक् विषमज्वनान् मेहारुचिश्वासकासान् हन्ति गर्भ्यरुपुदकृमी गण्डीरः स्नुहिः समूल पुष्पशाखस्य तुलां गण्डीरशाखिना तुलार्धं दशमूलस्य त्रिफलया पृथक् So this might be Vireshaka. Gostani is Draksha, Kupetutvat, Vidanga Arushkara, Ambodha, Kalinga. And Ayasabhasma is Prastha, Kanardha Prastha, and Granthikambra. तीक्ष्ण विडंगैला वालुकैस्त पलार्धकैः प्रलिप्ते स्थापे स्निग्धभाजने मासमात्रकम्. So this is quite again Dashamula, this Gandhira etc. one Tula, Dashamula half Tula, Tripala half Kostana, Draksha Ardhaprastha, Putachaka Tvak Ardhaprastha, Vidanga Arushkara Amboda Musta Kalinga Putacha one Pudava each. Patha Danti Shakti Rasna Murva Vanni Chitraka one Pada each. Sixteen times to the total. Prepare Chaturtha Vashishta Kashaya. Afterwards, Sitopala. Prepare Leha Paka and then add Ayas Loho Basma one Prastha Kana Pali Churna Artha Prastha Gandhika Pipali Mula. You write that Gandhikamra or something like that. So that might be Amra, might be for quantity. Tikshna Maricha Vidanga Elavaluka. Prepare drugs afterwards preserved in earthenware. But the lap of this maricha etc. to be given to the earthen pot, and then this is to be kept for 1 month. So basically, Avalaya Kalpana, but period is required for ripening. Kamala Pandu Rudroga Vatarakta Vishamajvara Meha Aruchi Shwasa Kasa Granthi Arbuda and Suli. So since it is indicated for Arbuda as well, we may think of using this in cancer. Kukkuta Rasayana. Kodi Kulambu. No point in reading the original part. Vruddhivalva Pliha Shula Udanamaya Nendiva Tamil Nyonya Yojangala Chikitsa. So let us see. Kukkuta Mausa Dopala Lavana plus Jala. Boil and remove the bones and pound mutton. Coconut milk and sharkara. 8 fruits. Prepare Ihapaka and then add Pakshepa Dravya. Kayam Hingu Chavya Katutrayam Tippali Mula Modi. 2 of them Bala Mula. लशुन जीरक घृत तैल बापरे so घृत तैल to be added later. Prepare layer by taking the above drugs in the specified quantity. It is allowed to cool well and then madhu 30 pula added. रसायन उदरशूल वृद्धि गुल्म प्लीहाशूल उदर रोग. So I don't know whether this Kukkuta Rasayana is available. Pushparagalayya. पुनर्नवा जल prepare चतुर्थावशिष्ट कषाय नारंगी अंबु जंबीर स्वरस कुष्मांड स्वरस नालिकेर स्वरस नहीं नल्लिक्त स्वरस अमलकी पुल्यम तिंत्रिणी कर्पूर वल्ली स्वरस यव तक्र. So many amla dravyas. Boil and reduce to half, then filter, squeeze and dry. Afterwards dry. Sharkara 16 pala. Ghruta taila. Prepare layer pak and then add. So this is also strange. He is asking to add Ghruta and taila later after the pak. Jatika Jaifal, Jaipatri, 2 pala each. Sahasravedi, Kasturi. So Sahasravedi, Jatuka, Hingu also, Paryaya Hingu. Lavanga. Prepare layer with the above drugs taken in the specified quantity. It is allowed to cool well and then add madhu. In a dose of Jambira Phala, Kamala and Pandu. Karpura Valli actually. This Karpura Valli. This Varasa. I don't understand. If somebody knows, may throw light on that. Trivrut Kulampu. Trivrut Jala Bruta Karkara. So just Trivrut, that's all. Virechaka Kamala Shofa. Anyway, what is available at Trivrut Leha in the market? If it is the same, then it is just Trivrut and Sharkara, that's all. And Dhruta. So Trivrut Leha I am using Trivrut Sukha Virechana, that is the Agrasanga. So for Virechana purpose, I do try to use Trivrut Leha, and it is Kamala Pandu also, Kamala and Shofa. So therein also this is good. Changeri Rasayana. Changeri Swarasa Mustakashaya. Jatikya. Shunthi. Thyfer Suntha Dipyam. That is Ova Kutaja Alpen. Chatushti. Chupasti. So Ambra Asti. Pulappa Sayum. Shalmali Niryas. Prepare layer with the above drugs taken in the specified quantity. Atisar Grahani. Bruhat Madhusnuhi Rasayana. talked about Madhusnehi Rasayana that is not available, but does anybody know that this Madhusnehi Rasayana is available or Bruhat Madhusnehi? Trikata Trifala Trijata Jati Phala Patragvidhanyakani Triyavani Vidanga Chavya Pushta Trivrutam ग्रथिक वाजिगंधकानि सभांगी देशोवति केशराणि निष्कद्वयोन्मान विचूर्णितानि संशुद्ध गंधोपलमाहिषाक्ष मधुस्निहीनां च चतुष्फलानि विषट्फलोन्मानधृते विपक्वे सितात्फलद्वादशिकं क्षिपेच्छ ततोन्मथित्वा तु खजेन तस्मिन् सुपाकमायाति ततोऽवतार्य पूर्वोक्त चूर्णानि विकीर्य शीते गन्धोपलस्यापि रजांसि दत्त्वा संयोज्य सम्यक् सुशीतलेऽस्मिन् पृष्ठं तदद्यान्वतुनः सुपात्रे विन्यस्तगुप्तं तु रसायनं तत्प्रातर्लिहेत्कर्षयुतं हिताशि. So Madhusnehi Rasayan is available by Vaitalit now. Okay. Kushtan Kilasam Pramehan. पिटकान् प्रमेहान् भगवन्दरार्षोर्बुधः गण्डमालान् निहन्ति कण्वामयवातरक्त पित्तोद्भवान् गुह्यभवान् वर्णाश्च रसायनोऽयं मुनिना कृतश्च मधुस्निहीनाम एष मुख्यः. So Madhusnehi Rasayana is available, so that is fine. रुद्र विरेचन त्रिवृत मुख्य घटक वाग्भटोक्त पाठ SDN चा उपलब्ध आहे. नित्य अनुलोमनासाठी व विरेचन योग म्हणूनही वापरतात. ओके, ते मागवायचं लक्षात ठेवा. औषध गोष्टी भांग्या दिले आहे आणि आजचं हे पण मधुस्निही रसायन SDM पुण्यात आहे का अवेलेबल? So it is being used by Manoj. So part is quite big. त्रिकट त्रिफला त्रिजातक जाति फल पत्र अग्नि चित्रक वरल लवंग धान्यक त्रियवानी गोधूम त्रियवनी गोधूम बार्ली and यव त्रियव हाँ
SPM अहमदनगरला SPM
हाँ अहमदनगरला कालचे पिंपरी चिंचवडला पण काहीतरी असं चाललं. विडंग चव्य कुष्ठ त्रिवृत गंधिका पिप्पली मूल वाजिगंधा अश्वगंधा भारंगी तेजवती केशर सीतोफला महिषाक्षी गुग्गुळ गुग्गुळ पण याच्यामध्ये शुद्ध गंधोपलमाशिकाक्ष माक्षिका महिषाक्ष मधुस्नेही चोपचिनी शुद्ध गंधक and घृत कुष्ठ किलास प्रमेह पिटका भगंदर अर्शस अर्बुद गंडमाला कंडू वातरक्त पित्तच गुह्य रोग गुह्य व्रण. इथे याला वापरूया अनुज अभ्यंकर. गंडमाला पण आहे आणि अर्बुद पण आहे. व्यालेश्वर औषधालय, सहकार नगर आणि श्री बालाजी डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड information guy represented at Ahmednagar. व्यालेश्वर औषधालय, सहकार नगर. So might be Manoj. Might be knowing. But we'll try to see. SDM distributors. We'll forward you forward contact number. That will be better. So, Arshas Arbuda Gandamala Kandu Vatarakta Itkaja Guyavrana. Bharat Madhusnuni is available of ABS as Valiya Madhusnuni Rasayan. Okay. So Valiya Madhusnuni Rasayan is available of ABS as well. Then that might be easier to get. And Madhusnuni is Chopchini. So this is again something different. Yeah. I was thinking of Nivdunga, Snuhi, a variety of Snuhi, but it is Chopchini. So that is also strange. When any kalpa had such big range of vyadhis in Varashati, it gets confusing when to use and how to decide Rogadikara of such kalpas, sir. How to decide Rogadikara of these kalpas. Anyway, I'm also trying to understand this, and that is why I said that we may start with Madhav Vedant Madhaposhika first chapter when we finish Sahasra Yoga, and thereafter we may begin Chakradatta or something, so that we try to understand the rationale between the Nidana and the Chikitsita. So it is very difficult over here to see the Rogadikara because it is a bare text of various formulations as such. But when we try to get them from classical texts, Charak Sushruta, etc., then we know the Rogadikar very well. That is fine. Here it is quite difficult. Those pathas which may be found in Bhadratnavali or Bhatpata or something like that, therein we can decide something. But otherwise, this is a big question. And what is the purpose of addition of so many dravyas which are might be Ushna, Shita, Guru, Laghu, or whatever it may be, or something like that. And there are various personas associated with that. Wicked decoction, and then Good Shakkara or Kuda, and then Nikaule, and then Atrakshipa. So this is quite common in all this. And what is the Karmakatva of Avlaya Kalpana as such? So, Vakshavacha Peya Lehya, these are four categories of the food material. So, Lehya is one category, and there should be something to be licked in our food material, that is ahara, which is not there or something like that. So this is the question, and actually understanding these is understanding the philosophy. So if we understand the philosophy well, why this particular combination is used in this particular way, then it would be easier for us to understand what exactly it does, and then that will be better. But anyway, to understand the Doshadhatu Mala and Rogadika as such is a prime thing, and we are trying to bring out Aushadha Kosha as such. And in Aushadha Kosha, in addition that what we did in Skanda Kosha, we try to specify Doshadhatu Mala as well. And the medicine to be chosen is to be chosen on the basis of all these. So basic thing is adhikara, and palatability and acceptance of Avlaya Kalpana also questioned many times in practice. That is true. It all depends on what kinds of medicine that are used, and it may be horrible in taste. That is also quite possible. Chitrakarita ki leha Punatkar sir was using in many patients. I also use, particularly Kapha Pradhana Tamaka Shwasa. This is a better choice to do. But Kolatkar sir once made a survey, asked one student to make a survey, that which products are sold better on counter sale. And then he came to know about Chitrakariti. So this is also a good idea to understand what is being sold commonly over the counter, OTC. And mostly this Kayam Churna or Sukasara Koti, Tefala, Gandharvaritaki, these are very commonly sold. It's known. But it was difficult transaction being sold or something. But then that doesn't taste good, but its results are good, there is no doubt. So a medicine is to be accepted as a medicine. It need not be palatable. But some people do complain about the palatability. And that is why people prefer homeopathy or allopathy, either sugar coated tablets or capsules. So there is no aruchi prasanga or something like that. So But truly speaking, we have to first decide the medicine to be used, and then may decide whether the patient will accept it or not, etc. And then try to find out a way if required. So what I feel right now, arriving at conclusion at diagnostic part, and then deciding proper treatment as a treatment part. Both the things are difficult. I have been talking about Achar Rasayana and Yuktidnya. So I talked 2-3 audios on Yukti and Bhukarana Yogaja Bhav to be understood as regards the disease, as regards the treatment. And then it is quite difficult to know very minute things about this. And then it becomes difficult. But anyway, what I feel right now, this is one of my agenda to understand the rationale behind the Aushadha Yogas, Aushadha Kalpas. And anyway, I have to work for it. So, we'll try to go deep into this Madhavnidan Madhukoshtika first to understand the Doshadhatu Mula Vijnana and maybe concept of disease and other things. And then may go for these formulations, how formulations are taking place, and how do we understand the rationale behind a formulation. कुटचाद्यवलेह कुटचत्वक्तुलान्ध्रोणे जलस्य विपचे सुधीः पाहिजे कषायं पादशेषं च गृह्णीयाद्वस्त्रकालिकं त्रिंशत्पलङ्गुडस्यात्र दत्त्वा च विपचेत् पुनः सान्द्रत्वमागतं ज्ञात्वा चूर्णादि इमानि दापयेत्. So basically कुटचत्वक्वाथ and गुड रसाञ्जनं मोचरसं त्रिकटु त्रिफलां तथा लज्जालं चित्रकं पाठां बिल्वमिन्द्र एवं वचां बल्लातकं प्रतिविषां मृडङ्गानि च बालकं प्रत्येकं फलसम्मानं घृतस्य कुडवं तथा. So Ghrita is to be added later. This is again different. Jayed Eshovalehasthu Sarvani Asramsi Vegatah. So on Raktapitta. Durnama Prabhavan Rogan Atisaram Arochakam. Grahanim Pandorogam cha Raktapittam cha Kamalam Amlapittam. तथा श्रोथम कार्श्यम चैव प्रवाहिकम अनुपाने प्रयोक्तव्यम आज्यं तत्रम प्रयोदति कृतं जलं वा जीर्णे च पथ्यभोजी भवेन्नरः. So Falashruti is again wide and Sarvani Asramsi, that is the main Falashruti. So all kinds of Raktapitta as such. And Arsha, Atisar, Arochaka, Grahani, Pandu, Raktapitta, Kamana, Amlapitta, Shota, Karsha, Pravahika. And Ajantakram Payodati. Ajantakra Payodati, that is to be used for Anupana. Gurtam, Jalamva Jirnecha, Patyabhoji Bhavendaraha. And when it is digested, then one should be eating Patya. So the quantity required in one time is quite big. So we have to wait for the Pachana of that medicine and then administer Bhojan. So in this Brahma Rasayana or Abhayanalke Rasayana, there is a Yano Parundha Aharam Ekam Matra to Sasvata. There is a mention like that. And Kollatkar sir used this once, that eat Chyawanprash to satisfy your hunger, and then eat only in the evening with milk and rice. So I also tried it in few cases, and generally that much quantity cannot go. They require 250 gram of Chyawanprash in one stove. Then I started doing it 82 spoonful. Wait till you become hungry. When you become hungry, again eat two spoonfuls or something like that. So repeat it till you feel hungry only in the evening, and then have only rice and chawal, rice and milk. And this I have particularly used in COPD patients when the dhatu bala is very low, and you need some pranakamiya rasayana, patients requiring oxygen support and such. And one needs rasayana. Might be this can be used even in COVID if there is no fever. And instead of giving in one stroke, because the Agni might not be that capable, do it as what I did. So repeat it till the person feels hungry in the evening. And our Chyawanprash is palatable, there is no doubt about that. And we can give Sitopala de Churna or something like that along with that. That is also fine. So the Kutajavale might be have to be taken in that much quantity that only in the evening the patient will feel hungry. And then this Ajak Shira, Ghrutta, etc. is to be used. So that one may try to remember. So Rasanjana, Mocharasa, Trikatu, Trifala, Lajjalu, Chitraka, Patha, Bilba, Indreya, Vacha, Bhallataka, Prativisha, Vedanta, Malaka. So basic is Kutaja, but this Bhallataka is there, Chitraka is there, and Trikatu is there. So again, there is a balancing of the Ushnavirya by other drugs. Taja Takra Kshira Dadhi Grita Mutra. All types of Arshas, Atisara, Aruchi, Grahani, Pandu, Raktapitta, Kamala, Amlapitta, Shota, Karsha, Pravas. So, better to use this in a particular way. As regards Pravahika, there are few patients now seen, but I might have told this long back, but maybe I repeat. Vaidya BP Nanal sir was emphasizing on the interaction between Ruksha and Snigdha. And Pravahika is a good example of that. This thought is good. So Vayu Pravruddho Nichitam Balasan Dudatyasastat Ahitashanasya. So Pravruddha Vayu Nichitam Balasan Adhastat Dudat. So Vayu's Prakapita profile is already accumulated. And the Vayu pushes it into Pakvashe. Now Kapha is Snigdha and Vata is Ruksha. So there is a tussle between these two. And this leads to Sthanatva of the Kapha. So Bahusha Pravata Alpam Malaktam. So the person had to strain much more, and then little defecation will occur or something like that. So now, while preparing a dough, we are combining this atta or wheat flour and water together. And there is a latent heat in the wheat flour. When we start making a dough, we can feel that heat. by our hands. And if water is less, then it is more thick. And if water is more, then it is loose or something like that. So one has to be cautious while adding water. And in the end, one may put oil on hands so that the dough is maintained properly. So like that, the sneha will remove this kind of stickiness. In the same manner, Pakvashaya Sataila tu Bimbishi Navadishtake. If Pakvashaya becomes Sataila, then Pravahika won't remain over there. So, this Anuvasana Basti, or maybe more in quantity, this helps and that separates the kapha and brings it out and pacifies Vata dosha. If it is more Vata dosha, then this Basti or Anuvasana Basti is useful. If it is more kapha, then Shunti is a good medicine. Because Shunti has Katu Rasa, and so it pacifies kapha in Amashaya, Madhura Vipaka. So pacifies Vata dosha in Pakvashaya. And is Grahi, Shulagna. So Shunti is a better choice in Pravahika. And we can use directly Shunti maybe with Ghurtaguda Anupana or something like that. And that works. So what I feel right now, that today's Pravahika patients are typical due to Ashuddha Chikitsa by modern medicine. Now, whenever there are loose motions due to any reason, mostly due to Ajira, people tend to take Lomotil, etc., to stop the motions without any consideration of the Agni, Ama, etc. They keep on eating and take this Lomotil or something. Now, neither the Ama is digested nor the process of preparation of Ama is hampered. And but the Mala Vibandha is done due to this Lomotil. And then these patients lodge into Pravahika. This is very common disease. So this is the adverse effect of so-called half treatment, either done by conventional medicine or done by people on their own. And surprisingly, I was talking to one allopathic doctor, and he said, no, allopathy is superior and it can conquer it, etc. I said, okay, it conquers for a while, but it keeps on repeating. And there are so many patients. So he said, people don't observe Pathya. So I said, where do you say Pathya about this? Mostly the infections would occur somewhere outside when you eat outside food. Do you ask the patient how many times the person does hoteling or something like that? बाह्य आभ्यंतर दोन्ही प्रकाराने स्नेह वापर करावा असा वाग्भटात मध्ये आलंय. बाह्य स्नेहांकडे दुर्लक्ष होतं बऱ्याच वेळा. नाही, युक्त्यावचार स्नेह भक्षात जन्येन बसवी. This is in Snehadhyay. It can be used in varieties of ways as such. Herein it is internal, maybe Snehapana or maybe this Anuvasan Basti. Tai Rajwade told us a different thing. She said in Pravahika, this might be from Mama Gokhale, they used to give Erenda Sneha with Shunti Kwan. And the dose of Shunti and Erenda Sneha to be adjusted as per the dosha. So, if it is more Vata Pradhanya, then Eranda Sneha to be given in big quantity, maybe 20-30 ml or something like that, with Shunti Mata maybe 50 ml. And if it is Kapha Pradhanya, then Shunti might be more and Eranda Sneha to be less. So maybe 10-15 ml, that's all. And this is also good. I heard another thing from Pushpa Tolpule madam, which is another issue. Kutaja Arishta and Kumari Asa. These to be used in Grahani or Pravalika. And depending upon Muhur Baddha, Muhur Drava. If it is Muhur Baddha, then Kumari Asa to be increased. If it is Muhur Drava, then this Kutaja Arishta to be added or to be more, taken more. But a combination of Kutajarishta with Kumari Asa and adjusting the dose as per the frequency of this tool. So this is again a different issue. And एरवी पण
जेव्हा पेशंट असतो ना तेव्हा असं करून बघायला पाहिजे त्याचा काही उपयोग आहे.
Yeah. If Pravahika gets converted into Grahani, then this is a better choice or something. And one may use as per need. That is the issue. Sanjay Pense is using Shunti and Vishreya and Dhanya Kayasam, suppose. I am trying to use Dhanya Panchakar. And so anyway, it has to be judged on the basis of the consistency of the stool and Agni, of how far it is, and the dosha pradhanya. So which dosha is pradhan or something like that. Actually, in my second year, we used to have full question of 20 marks. And surprisingly, question was Pravahika Vyadhim Varnayata. And hardly there are two shlokas about Pravahika. Vayu Prabhuddha Nishitam Balasam and Pravahika Vatakruta Sashula Pittasudaha, etc. Sakapakapacha. And how to elaborate this for 20 marks? This was a big question for me before me. So I decided to go in a tricky way. I said there is no separate mention of Pravahika, it is under the Atisara Adhikara. And secondly, there are no reasons etc. written for this Pravahika. But since it is falling under Atisara, so whatever are the positive factors for Atisara, that will be taken for Pravahika. And so then I started writing the positive factors for Atisara. I was remembering our shlokas, so there were no problem. Atisara is Vishnu. So that is from Chikitsa. etc. But anyway, I started writing that, and then we turned to the Samprapti of Pravahika, Vayu Pravruddha Jitan Balasam. So there is accumulation of Kapha first, and then Vayu becomes Pravruddha. So out of these positive factors, these are Kapha Varsaka, these are Vata Varsaka. So these happen first, then the Vata Varsaka happens. And then it comes down to the Pakvashaya and creates Pravahika. And then Vatakruta, Kapakruta, etc. etc. I wrote 4 or 5 pages on this. Shama Sathe was examiner. And surprisingly, he had read all the papers and had brought with him answer papers. So he was looking at my paper and then he said, which dosha will you give importance? I was in a puzzle and I said, okay, I will give importance to Vata dosha. He asked why. I said there is a Pravruddha Visheshana for that. Actually, there is Nichita also, there is one Upasarga, Ni. But anyway, he was satisfied and I got through. But this is something Agantum Shamayat Dosham Sthanena Pratikritya. That I explained that Kapha is Agantu and Vata is Nija. So Nija Sthanenam Pratikritya Agantum Shamayat, but there is a Vam, strong Vam. So what is to be given importance? It depends on which dosha is prabala, then you have to treat that. Anyway, can we use Asava and Arishta together mixed with each other? We can. There is no doubt. And these things are possible to mix up. In Bhatsar clinic, we were mixing many Asavas and even in Arkas in that. So Dashamula Arishta, Kumari Asava, and then Shatapushpa Arka or something like that. A combination of all these we used to give. Of course, it was his thought process. I am not using this, but people are doing it like that, and so might be possible. He used to dispense asavarishtas, used to prepare asavarishtas by himself, prepare arkas by himself, and then mix them and give them in a bottle. So this is quite possible or something. Anyway, we conclude today and continue tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित इह हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने काञ्च सुष्ठुप्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारात् श्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः।